putting off content creation because editing seems complicated or expensive. CapCut shatters every excuse holding you back from becoming the creator you want. This extraordinary app proves professional editing doesn't require film degrees, years practice, or expensive software. CapCut offers immediate results without sacrificing creative control or quality. Learning curve practically non-existent thanks to intuitive design, anticipating needs, and presenting right tools when needed. Within minutes, create impressive videos combining clips seamlessly, adding effects, incorporating music, exporting content optimized for platforms. AI features work magically, analyzing content, suggesting best choices, syncing cuts to beats, removing backgrounds, stabilizing footage, enhancing audio without complex adjustments. Effect library constantly expands with trending styles, ensuring fresh content. Text tools offer animated typography, customizable fonts, dynamic effects elevating storytelling. Whether editing short form for TikTok and Reels or longer YouTube videos, CapCut adapts perfectly. Templates accelerate workflow significantly. Download link and coupon code, wait in description and comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.